Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to 30 Days of Sketches. Now this is the double page series. This sketch was created by Lisa Marie and it is this sketch right here. 4x6 and 4x4 photos. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to cut them all down to those exact sizes, but that is the plan. I've got my photos, so let's see what I can do. All right, guys, so I decided to use gray as my background. Now, I will tell you, the first color I grabbed was blue, but the background of this coffee cup paper is blue, and I just wasn't feeling the blue on blue. You know what I mean? Sometimes I am totally good with that kind of thing, and sometimes I'm like, oh, no, no, no. Not feeling that. So in the sketch, this piece of paper that I have represented with my coffee cups is a little bit larger. And I don't have two sheets of this coffee cup paper. So I decided to bring in my green glitter paper, and that's because Starbucks is green, right? Like, it's all about the green. So I decided that the green glitter paper would go well because there are green coffee cups. And then it's just a matter of figuring out how I want my photos to go. I was going to go totally off sketch and do the 3 photos across the left-hand side of the page, but I didn't go totally off. I'm just slightly off sketch right now. And that's okay, you guys, right? Like, it's completely okay. I could have trimmed down my 4x6 landscape photos and made them fit so that they would be the same size of the 4x6 old-fashioned stove photo that's there. But ultimately, I decided that I was following the essence of the sketch. And, you know, I'm just going to do it my way because this works for me and it makes me happy. Now, if you guys don't know, I work at Starbucks. I am a Starbucks manager. I have a new Starbucks store. If you haven't heard, I've been there 3 weeks now. I think 3 weeks now. 3? Maybe I'm on my 4th. I don't know. But I love Starbucks. You guys, I love where I work. I love what I do. I just love it. And, of course, when there is a Starbucks in Walt Disney World, I take photos. I also went on a solo trip right before I started at Starbucks because Christopher sent me to Disney World kind of as a good job leaving Hobby Lobby. Congratulations on Starbucks situation type thing. And I took Starbucks like selfies with that. So Starbucks is definitely part of my life. And I, of course, had to take a picture with my iced coffee. And then I took a picture of one of the iced coffees I received, and they spelled my name S-A-I-L-E. Saley? Like, what is that? And I had to laugh at it. But in this cafe, which is the Starbucks, this is in like the old-timey Hollywood part, right? Like, it looks like it's trying to be Hollywood Studios a little bit kind of vibe, you know what I'm saying? So I took a picture of the name of the cafe because I knew I would forget it. I knew it would just be Starbucks. They have the old time, I don't want to say old time, but like an old siren with the Starbucks logo. And that really cool old stove. Like, there was just a lot of cool stuff in this little cafe area. Of course, they had all of the Starbucks stuff and the Starbucks cups, and I'm regretting not buying the cups. Let me just tell you, I have a little bit of a Starbucks cup problem, but it's okay. It's not a problem. You know what? It's not a problem. I don't think it's a problem. So anyway, I go ahead and I'm just going to title this Coffee, Coffee, Coffee. I throw in that little tag that says hello beautiful. I'm playing with some Cocoa Vanilla Storyteller die cuts, which, shameless plug here, I did restock Cocoa Vanilla Studio in the Scrapping Reflections shop. Deck the Halls and, oh crap, I forgot the name of the other collection. I think it's Bloom and Grow are also in the shop. Not I didn't use the Cocoa Vanilla Storyteller ephemera. Like, I didn't purchase that for myself the first time around when I stocked it in the shop, and I regretted it. So I got it this time around. So hooray. And I'm just trying to make it work within this layout. The banners, I just wasn't feeling it. I was feeling the florals though. And I created that little camera cluster down here at the bottom, just so where I could get a little bit of journaling in there. And I talk about how, you know, I gotta stop at the Starbucks because that's what I do. And then check out the name on my iced coffee cup. So I do like iced coffee with some sugar-free vanilla and a splash of half and half, or heavy cream, depending. I also love a black tea lemonade with some sugar-free vanilla in it. Particularly enjoy a pumpkin cream cold brew. Man, that pumpkin cold foam, I could just drink cups of that. So anyway, just sharing a little bit of the drinks that I'm drinking right now at Starbucks. And here's a couple of close-ups. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.